If you've ever experienced jaw pain or popping sounds when you chew, you might have a TMJ disorder. These disorders affect the temporomandibular joint, which connects your jaw to your skull. Causes can range from stress to teeth grinding, but don't worry, there are treatments available. From simple lifestyle changes to advanced medical procedures, there's something that can help relieve your pain. So next time your jaw feels off, remember it might just be your TMJ acting up and seek the help you need.